So welcome to the part 2 of character creation. So remember, we export from Fuse and we saved our file. So we'll go to where we saved our file, click on your folder, locate where you save your file. You will see all materials used and the textures. Select everything, right click and send to compress zip folder. So with this we can go to the next level, so it will be easier for us. Let me open it and you will see all the files. All our files, they are inside here. So next we'll go to our website. I already have my website open, so I will upload my character. You will see we have FBS, OBJ and zip file. So we are going to upload our zip file. Click and drag and drop there. So we'll just wait a little so that our file will upload on the website. So don't forget, the website is mizamo.com. Once you go to the website, you follow through. It's a simple process to operate. It's not that difficult. So let's wait. I will fast forward a bit so that this uploading part will be easier for us. Yeah, so once it has uploaded, it will go to Auto Rigger. With this you can animate it with any other software once you follow this process to make work more easier for you. Now we have our character, so the textures will be loading. Let me fast forward until the textures load. So now our character, the textures have loaded complete, so we'll click next. Then this next phase is for us to rig the character. So if you look at the left hand side of your screen, you will see the sheen. You click that, take it and put it where the sheen is. Then we go for the wrist. We take that and fix where the wrist is. Then the next one is elbow. We take and position it where the elbow is. That one is the knee. Just the same for the last one, and just follow this process. Once you are able to do this correctly, you click next and it will auto rig. So wait a little. I will fast forward this part so we don't waste too much time here. It's loading the character. So we have our character already rigged, as you can see. The next one is for us to pick the desired animation we want. So we click next. We'll just replace the one that we have before. So we'll wait again so it will load. Let me fast forward because of time. So now we have our character already rigged. So I will look for a working animation. I will go to the search bar, search for a working animation. So I will look for the one that I prefer. So I will take let me see. I will take this one, and once I click on it, I will just wait for it to load on my character. So just wait a little. This next part, make sure, because most people they make this mistake. Make sure you click on in place at the right hand side. You will see in place under mirror. So your character will be in place, so you can do the other animation in your other software like in After Effects. So you have control over it as you want. So you can tweak some of these, override character and space and all of that, and see what it will give to you if you want it once you are done with this other step. So but remember our frame, the total frame is 29 frame. We have 29 frame on this animation, so don't forget that, because we use that number later to loop our animation. So we download our file. This is the file that we download, DAE. So once that's done, leave all the setting the way it is. Don't change anything, leave it, then click download. So wait, our file will download, and we're coming to the end of this class. So just click here, use any of your downloader to download the file, and it will come as a zip file. So find a place, save it, then we'll continue in our next class. Thank you.